Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mind Fashion Studio. Dear friends and subscribers, how are you? I hope you are fine and hope well. Today I will have many pairs for you. Today I will talk about most stylish and most demanding women collection, cross stitch embroidery, parrot ideas. May Allah give you happiness and success. Dear friends, today I'm going to showing very attractive handmade positive pattern ideas, parrot designs. This is very beautiful and elegant tarkashi and charts with the embroidered designs and pattern designs. Very beautiful, very stylish cross stitch embroidery parrot ideas. I have only ideas, videos. I am suggest you of this video. Very gorgeous and elegant designs. I hope you like my video. If you want to watch more videos, you visit to my YouTube channel, Mind Fashion Studio, and watch my other videos and get more ideas. These designs are also available in the market on reasonable prices. You can also visit the market. These parrot ideas, designs are fantastic and fascinating. Dear friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. After pressing the bell icon, you get all notification of my videos and never miss my video collection of my channel. If you like this video, to click the like button and share videos with friends, family members and social media account. So do not need to tell me in the comment section to help me how is my videos and how is selections about parrot pattern ideas. Thanks so much for watching my video of my channel. Can help you to give beautiful ideas. Please friend, again subscribe my YouTube channel and wait for my new video. I always try to bring useful ideas according to your choice. Best of luck. Bundle of thanks. Take care friend. Allah Hafiz.